Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on a Honda Del Sol, little two-seater. You don't see these too often anymore, but they're pretty sweet rides. Let's take a look. So here she is, and this thing is pretty darn clean, if I might say. It does have a K24 swap, and man, they did a really good job on this swap. It looks amazing. Pretty sure this is a clean title car, and the interior looks immaculate as well. Always been a big fan of these Del Sol seats. They look so good and they are super comfortable. Actually picked up a used pair myself recently on Marketplace for a future project, but yeah, man, this thing is awesome. So yeah, once again, we are doing cams, oil pump, and thermostat coming right at you.
We'll put on some gloves. It's a clean setup, so we're not trying to get it dirty. I'm gonna start by pulling off the valve cover. It has the Speed Factory Racing 12.10. As you can see, it's pretty stock. It's a 2006 motor. These things stock with full bolt-ons. I've seen upwards of 230 to 240 depending on the tuner, really. Customer wanted to do some cams, so we're doing some Drag Cartel drop-in cams. Those are actually really good cams. Like fairly stock budget build. I mean, if you ask me, the Drag Cartel drop-ins and the 2.2s are pretty similar. Intake cam is pretty similar. Exhaust cam is more aggressive on the 2.2s, but I mean, if I was doing a stockish build, I would do drop-ins. Alright, we got cams out. See right there. Nice setup. So now we got to get to the bottom, take off the timing chain cover. Do that, we got to remove this mount, the bracket, and of course the cover. And there is 3 bolts going from the oil pan to the actual timing chain cover. So and just FYI, no, it is not good to use these pulleys. That's a OBX or unorthodox pulley. You don't want to use those. Yeah, your motor will rev up faster, but it throws off the balance of the lower rotating assembly. You want to use a stock one or even an ATI dampener. And yes, he had a bolt here. I took it out. What you're going to want to use is a Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact gun with the harmonic balancer socket, just a weighted It's basically a weighted 19 millimeter. It's the best way to get it off, otherwise it'll take you forever. I already went ahead and drained the oil pan because we're going to also be doing an RSX Type S oil pump. Alright guys, so we got the oil pan off because we're doing the Type S pump. Still got a couple more screws and then the covers off. Put the valve cover back on because it's starting to get a little windy, so just want to protect it. Stop cam. And this bracket, I've only seen this on automatics, but hey, if it works, it works.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. It's understood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that video with the Del Sol and the drop-in cams. And lastly, as always, I will leave you guys with this. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. That's Gandhi. Guys, have a great week. I'll see you in the next one.